Guys, it is Godok's born. What you guys be? Oh, God, my nose frozen. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to another bus depot. So that's what's going on. It's gonna be fun and exciting. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I am going to Toonie's to get some coffees, and then we are taking some stuff out of the scrap buses. So we are still taking things out of the scrap buses, so it's easier for everyone. So that is what's going on, you guys. It's gonna be fun and exciting. What's going on, you guys? It's gonna be fun. So we got Chinese food. We have spring rolls, we have beef and broccoli, we have chicken rice, and we have chow mein. And what's the, oh yeah, chicken balls right there.
Garrett chopped all over a pot.
Yeah. What?
And broccoli to leaf.
Do you like broccoli? Is it good? Is it healthy for you?
Yes.
How much? Does it give you weak bones?
No, it's big.
Give you big, strong bones?
Mhm.
So I hope you guys should listen. So guys, do give a big thumbs up. Good night.